Today, we are going to be talking about how the complete and total legalization of cannabis and hemp is not only just speculation, but is basically guaranteed by the most powerful man in the universe, the President of the United States. I am Grim from WKU Consulting. Without any further ado, let us go ahead and dive right on in to the content.
You can revolutionize senior healthcare. We've all heard about the major systems in our bodies, like the digestive, respiratory, nervous, and cardiovascular systems. But there's one essential system discovered in the 90s that you probably never heard of. It makes all of the other systems work smoothly with each other. Like a conductor, ensuring the different sections of an orchestra all play a beautiful symphony together. This system is called the endocannabinoid system. It has been acknowledged and studied by scientists extensively with support from the National Institutes of Health. As we age, this system weakens. As a result, the different systems in our body stop working together smoothly. That's one of the reasons older adults struggle with pain, inflammation, cognitive decline, and other ailments of aging, for which doctors often prescribe dangerous and addictive pharmaceuticals. They also recommend lifestyle remedies, such as exercise, good diet, and stress management. And while all these improve the system, it is only fractionally and over a long time. But here's the game changer. The system can be restored faster using hemp-derived CBD. When the system is restored, pain subsides, sleep is improved, and stress is reduced. When the system is restored, disease progression can slow down, and years are added to your life, as well as years spent in good health. And 20% of seniors are already using CBD today for pain, arthritis, cancer symptoms, sleep disorders, Alzheimer's, and many other ailments of aging. But doctors are not equipped to provide guidance, and there are no FDA standards for what is already in the market today. Imagine if that were the case for other medications. Older adults are suffering needlessly. Hemp-derived CBD can help them feel better, live longer, and improve their quality of life significantly.
A PricewaterhouseCoopers report estimates annual cost savings for the U.S. nearly $64 billion a year if cannabis is fully integrated into the healthcare system.
The groundbreaking 2018 Farm Bill, championed by President Trump, was the first step. Now it's time to educate doctors on the endocannabinoid system, provide Medicare coverage for CBD, and give millions of seniors the support they deserve. You will deliver the most important senior health initiative of the century, cementing your legacy and transforming aging care. Millions everywhere will thank you.
Oh my gosh, Grim, the market is so saturated. It's very difficult for me to sell my products. I don't know what I'm going to do. I see all of this equipment coming online. There's probably no hope for me anymore to break into the industry. Money and revenue streams are flowing slowly. Hold up. I understand, guys. From the time of the explosive market boom of all the alternative cannabinoids that people decided to circumvent the law with and start putting inside of their bodies. And you already know here at WKU Consulting, we taught you how to make a lot of those cannabinoids. And it was great. It was wonderful. There was gold flowing out of every orifice possible due to the nature of new and increasing technology and all type of different ways that we could manufacture alternative cannabinoids and get high. But guess what? Then it ran dry, and the government started banning them. And everybody tended to forget the real reason why we do what we do anyway. And it is the extreme benefit. Now you see the President of the United States, a growing senior citizen, I might add, with all of the, let's just say, upper echelon people in the healthcare system delegating research to him, and they are finding what we have all known to be true all along, that the governance and the regulation of the endocannabinoid system via CBD, you just saw the video. Just think about when he finds out about THC, CBN, the entourage effect with using terpenes and things like that. Guys, they're already talking and pushing legislation to be able to completely integrate, listen to what I'm saying, completely integrate cannabis and hemp products into the medical system. And you think you're late to the party? You're early. Guys, you are early. When insurance providers and Medicare providers and doctors and all of that money that flows from big pharma finds a way to get their hands into the pot to be able to now maybe try to corner the market and sell you a product that is specifically licensed by, let's say, Pfizer or something like that. Guys, the industry is going to blow sky high. This is the time. Get your education. Learn from educators. Study what you're doing. Keep your lab afloat. If you've already got a lab afloat and it was primarily focused on manufacturing cannabinoids, alternative cannabinoids, and you're running a little bit dry on revenue stream, guys, make your ends meet. Operate under good capital management and risk management to stay afloat, because I'm telling you, guys, what do you think happens to the rest of the world when they find out that the United States pharmacological industry is completely being revolutionized by cannabis and hemp? Well, they're going to either get on board or get left behind very, very, very quickly. So, once again, I've made a complete video series on everything that you need to know for basic cannabis extraction, CBD extraction, hemp extraction, post-production, distillation, all of those things. You can find those popping in the playlist above. Definitely look at that. Join the Discord. Do everything that you can to learn, because, guys, a mountain full of money. You think that there was big money when we were able to just transport via the Farm Bill, CBD? There was so much money flowing into the industry back then. So much money flowing into the industry. What do you think happens when the globalists, people will be getting offers to sell out their laboratory and their consumer basis, and I can guarantee a lot of them will, and they will retire to the Bahamas and they will say thank you and sell it out to the global elites. But I'm just saying all of that to let you guys know, you already know that we've got our eyes and ears to the grapevine around here, and we see it coming. We have been saying it for quite some time. It has been a long time coming, to be fair, but here we go. Now you've got the President of the United States full endorsement. And if you're wondering, because we already know the Democrats support this. Democrats support this wholeheartedly. The problem is getting bipartisan issues. Getting issues agreed on in a bipartisan way. So what is our number one bottleneck? Well, it's going to be Republicans. But we know that Republicans will do everything, anything, whatever it is that Donald J. Trump says to do. So here we go, guys. I hope that you're ready for quite a roller coaster ride. And if you're wondering, well, AI is taking everybody's jobs. AI ain't taking no cannabis jobs, I'll tell you that right now. So get in there, stay hopeful, learn everything that you can. If you have any questions, literally all of our information is down there for you to reach out. We're here to help you in any way that we can. If you liked this video, you're probably going to like one of these popping up over my shoulders. And it has been a blessing, a privilege, nay, an honor to be able to teach and consult with you guys today. We'll see you in the next one. Sorry this one was short. The next one will be very long, so peace.